Each morning is a blessing, a quiet moment when the world slowly wakes beneath the soft glow of dawn, and creation sings praises to God. Inside the little cottage, Grandmother Florence slowly wakes from her dream. She greets the morning with a calm spirit, embracing the gift of another day. The soft glow through the window reminds her that God's mercies are new every morning. Before her feet touch the floor, her heart turns to God, offering a whispered prayer of gratitude. She chooses gratitude over worry, welcoming the day. Meeting God in the morning refreshes the spirit. It washes away heavy thoughts and fills the heart with joy and strength. In the hush of her little kitchen, Florence makes herself a simple cup of coffee. Steam rises like a quiet prayer as the world outside begins to stir. With every step, she carries a lifetime of faith, of quiet moments with the Lord, of prayers whispered in solitude. Life is simple here, yet full of grace. She carries her warm cup of coffee to her favorite place, her prayer corner by the window. Florence loves gazing through the window, taking in the beauty of creation. She gently settles down, ready to spend unhurried time with the one who loved her first.
Thank you for this beautiful morning, for the warmth of the sun and the peace of the earth.
Florence has made it her priority to meet God first each morning, before anything else claims her heart. Morning is a sacred pause, a moment to reflect and remember that every sunrise is a reminder of His new mercies. In the silence, the soul finds Him easily, without rush, without noise, without distraction. It wasn't always easy for her. As a nurse working long and tiring shifts, Florence couldn't always sit quietly with God as she wished. So she learned to snatch moments throughout the day, praying softly in her heart between responsibilities. Now, grateful for this gift of time, she cherishes these quiet mornings. At times, with tears, she remembers how God carried her through her younger years, through the demands of her job, caring for her family, and seasons of financial, physical, and relational struggles. Her heart aches as she reflects on how she was unfaithful many times, yet God continued to love and care for her. Looking back, she cannot fathom how she endured. Now she sees that God was with her always, even when she felt alone. Florence finds peace, knowing that God will continue to love and care for her, even through her old age, just as He promised. She not only reads her Bible, but studies it and speaks the word aloud, knowing it holds life and power that can cut through her problems, breathe life into her, and strengthen her. With scripture in hand and peace settling gently around her, she notices the beauty in the simplest things, the warmth of a new day, the soft song of birds, the golden light touching the fields. With a heart full of joy, Florence closes her prayer in gratitude for the gift of life, for the beauty of creation, and for another day wrapped in God's peace.
I am grateful for this new day. Thank you for the peace you have given me.
As the morning gently unfolds, Florence is ready to begin her day, strengthened, renewed, and held by grace. Start your day with God, just like Florence. Make Him first, drawing close to your Father's heart, knowing Him more deeply, and inviting Him to walk with you into the day ahead. As you choose to meet Him early, to be fed by His word, and strengthened in His presence before the day begins, may your heart be filled with hope, joy, and the deep peace of God.